Before eating chicken again, please watch this video because what I am about to tell you, you may not be aware of it. You know that every year more than 9 billion chickens are sold and 99.9% of them are factory farmed because they are cheap. A few days ago I went to a big market and I was looking for something to eat, and there the whole rotisserie chicken was for $1,500 only. I thought, how can it be so cheap? Because this market also has to make a profit. Distribution also has to make a profit. So how much would they spend on feeding and raising these chickens? Now this is a very interesting thing. In 1925, that is 100 years ago, it took a chicken 125 days to grow up. And today only 47 days. In just 1.5 months, a chicken grows up completely. Now think, how is this possible? Now there is a thing called CAFOs, Confined Animal Feeding Operations. This is also a part of factory farming. I will give some links to this topic below this video. This is a farming system in which animals are kept in small and closed spaces for mass production, like chickens, cows, etc. This is basically an extension of factory farming. When they tested the chickens, their wings, beak, and claws, they found antibiotics in them. Those antibiotics that were banned, and I wondered how they could give them, and they also found arsenic in them. Now, arsenic is a poison. Because of arsenic, the color of the chicken meat turns pink. It looks fresh, and it also acts as an antibiotic, and most of the arsenic was found in the wings of the chickens. And the problem is these wings, beak, and claws are ground and chicken feed is made from them again, so this toxin re-enters their feed and then reaches our plate. They also found Benadryl, Acetaminophen, and Prozac in them. Now these 3 medicines are given for the anxiety of the chickens, because these poor chickens are kept in a small space which puts them in stress. To keep them awake, caffeine is also added to their feed. Why? So that they eat as much as possible and grow up quickly. These days, some feeds have vegetarian written on them. You must have also seen that when you buy packaged chicken from a big market, it is written on the label natural, minimally processed, or fed vegetarian food. All these terminologies have come from the West, but all this is a marketing drama. Actually, the vegetarian food that is given is GMO grains, GMO corn and soya. This is also unnatural because chickens don't just eat grains. Their real food is insects. Insects, flowers, grass, etc. Chickens are actually omnivores. They eat everything. Out of all the antibiotics sold worldwide, 66% are given to farm animals like farm eggs and chicken. These chickens are given heavy antibiotics, and they are overdosed. They are used as a growth hormone. They also contain steroids. Between 1940 and 1971, millions of females were given a medicine called DS-diethylstilbestrol. It is a very powerful estrogen. It was banned in 1971 because it was not effective. In fact, it was harmful. It was causing miscarriages. The effect of this medicine lasts for 3 generations. Its effects remain in the body. What most people don't know is that the highest use of DS was not on humans, but on livestock. And it was banned in 1979. So if you were born before 1979, then you must have been exposed to DS, and this. DS affects your endocrine system, i.e. your thyroid, ovary, testicles, and pancreas. As a side note, I would like to share something. There is a thing called poultry litter. You heard it right, poultry litter. Poultry litter is used in cattle feed. Cows, buffaloes, etc. are fed the same chicken poop. I apologize if this hurt your heart or if you lost your appetite. But this is true. Now you have only 2 options. Either you keep buying farm chicken and put your health at risk, or you spend a little more and start buying organic, pasture-raised chicken. Pasture-raised means that these chickens are not kept in a cage. They are kept in an open field. They are a little expensive, but not more expensive than your health. This chicken is good for your health. You can also keep chickens. Now you tell me how you found this video. Do share your opinion in the comments about what you think about this whole system. For more information about health, please subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.